Our topic is transposition. So, what mentioned for us the transposition? So, we have to transpose with you the notes from the treble clef to bass clef, up and down. So, let's first write with you the same note for treble and bass. It's middle C, which under the stave in the treble clef and above the stave in the bass. These are notes which follow it and can be written as well. The notes with the extra lines, we can use them as well. So what our task? If we are in treble, we goes down for 8 steps, and if we are in bass, we goes up 8 steps. Let's try to identify how the note's going to be written. So treble clef, bass clef, and for example, we take the note C. And we have to count down 8 steps. C, B, A, G, F, E, D, C. We reach with you to the middle C. In our case, we have to write not this C, we have to write this C, but in bass clef. So it's going to be written above the stave. Next one, let's take note A. So we count gradually to the middle C, then continue C, C, B, A, and we find another A under the middle C. Let's see how works the next note D. So middle C is here, middle C is here, and let's count C, D, C, B, A, G, F, E, D. We find with you another closest note D. So we can erase with you everything what is not needed for us now. Now let's try with you another note in bass clef, the note F. F, F, G, A, B, C, C, D, E, F. So, and we find with you the note above the middle C. Next note B. B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B. And what we can see that we didn't reach with you to the middle C. Yes, we have to find with you B under the middle C. Okay, so let's see the next. D. D, E, F, G, A, B, C, and D. So we reach with you to the D above the middle C. Let's work with you with the exercise number 1. So we have to count with you from the treble to bass clef. G, F, E, D, C, C, B, A, G. We reached with you to another pitch for the middle, for the G. Next is D, D, C, A, G, F, E, D. This is G. And we have to count again. G, F, E, D, C, C, B, A, G. So F, E, D, C, C, B, A, G, F. And so on. So let's try to work with you with the next task. So we have to move from treble to bass clef. We have to write with you 4 flats, B, E, A, D, time signature C, 4 crotchets in a bar, claver rest, and E note, E, D, C, B, A, G, F, E. And we have with you the note E, which is situated above the middle C. In this case, we have to count with you from the C up to the E. So I will erase this and we count C, D, and E. This is pitch for the next E. C. Now we have with you C note. C, B, A, G, F, E, D, and C. So it's exactly the middle C. Next is the note F, and we count with you, we reach to this F. This F is above the middle C. So we have to count with you up to the middle C. The next B. We count gradually to the middle C, and after C, B. C, middle C, then right next to the C, the note D. Right next to the D, the note E. We gives for them their rhythm. Then we have with you the next E, D, C, C, B, A, G, F, E. And to join them together, 2 clavers. Okay. So next A, B, sorry. to the A, then right next to B and C, D, join them all together, D note, and so on. You can continue after. Let's see next. Treble clef. We write with you bass clef, B flat, 2, 4, A, G, F, E, D, C, C, B, A. Then we have with you C, B, A, G, F, E, D, C, exactly the middle C. The next note is A, and this is the same A like you had before. The next note is, you can count by yourself. Now we will move with you opposite from bass clef up to treble clef. So we have to write with you 3 flats, B flat, E flat, and A flat, middle C, C time signature, E, F, G, A, B, C, C, D, E. We find with you the first note, E. The next note is B. B, C, C, D, E, F, G, A, B. Here going to be written rest, crochet rest. Next note, A, B, C, C, D, E, F, G, A. Bar line, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Next note is C, C, middle C, and we have to reach to the next C. Okay, so let's start the next one. Again, treble clef, F sharp, 3, 2, G, A, B, C, C, D, E, F, G. Another G, medium only, then F note, the note which is close to the G. Then D, and the next C. This note is situated above the C, so this is E note above the C. And we have to count from it. E, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E. Also, if it's difficult, we can compare them between each. So how many steps are here? So many steps you have to count next to it. So another E, the tie, and continue. 3 notes left. The last one. So bass clef, we change to treble, 2 sharps, 3, 4, and count the first. This is note A, which is situated under the middle C. So for this, we have to write with you extra lines. So this C, B, and A. Then we can count the next note. It's going to be D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E. The next, after A, C, D, A, F note. We have to count gradually, and D note. Each of these notes I would like to propose to count step by step, so to be confident that you are working in the right way. Thank you.